There you go, little guy. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, I just got the Camaro put away for winter. Yeah, of course I'm gonna go start working on the C-10. Dude, I agree with you 100%. I just want to get this thing done before the century's up. You know, before we have flying cars. Dude. I think there's somebody in my garage. I gotta let you go. What in the name of sweet baby Jesus you think you're doing in my garage? Well, what does it look like, you big dumb idiot? I'm working on the C-10, since some people always have something better to do. All right, man, calm down, Turbo. You know, you look vaguely familiar. Dude, you have the memory of a goldfish. I'm in a bowl. Remember last year? No, should I? Oh, it was around Oktoberfest. That makes a lot of sense.
Oh, I remember that.
Remember you said something about, I'll let future Bart deal with it?
No idea.
I'm your clone! But how? Why? When? Dude, I don't have time for this right now. Why don't you go find something to do? Like what? I was planning on working on the truck. Sure you were. Really? Why don't you go edit video or something? Run along. I got stuff to do. What a jerk! I figured updates were in order because it's been a very long time since I've given you guys anything C-10 related. And as you can tell, the C-10 looks a little bit different back there. It's because I painted it a couple months ago, or maybe like 6 months ago. Yeah, but it looks amazing. Check this out. Now this is just epoxy primer. Yeah, there's no body work. No body work's been done to this. The main point was to just get good quality paint on bare metal to seal the metal. And to, shoot a lot of runs on it. So my air booth is basically a negative pressure system, which it's basically sucking air in, not pushing air in. And what was happening is the walls, I don't know if you can really see, but the walls were about right here, and it was getting sucked in. So as I was trying to paint this, I was literally pushing against the wall, and I was so close to it. So I mean, all these runs are just from being way too close to it. Not a big deal, it's primer, I'll sand it down. See, this side actually came out a lot better because I had a little bit more wall space to paint all that. But yeah, like I said, nothing is body worked yet. This is just to protect the raw metal. And I did overspray some areas in here, but all this is for the most part can be sanded down. I even bought a little mini sandblaster just to get a lot of these channels. This was so much work. There's a lot of seam sealer in these spots, so I took it down as much as I could. All that seam sealer got scraped out. But yeah, it does look pretty nice just for being in primer. I can't wait to get going on this thing. But man, this looks so awesome. I spent so much time, and you guys will see a video on this in the next couple months. It's gonna be a good one. Also, I found a company that sells this piece, this whole piece. And here's the really interesting thing. I don't know if those are motorcycles or if those are cows, but they're kind of annoying. So yeah, I found a company looking up one of my videos on Google, and they're actually using one of my videos for their product. Maybe I can work something out with them, because I do need this panel. So, and also, which I've never seen before, this company also makes this panel, this entire piece, all the way down that whole A-pillar section, all the way up. It's like $550 plus freight, so it is super expensive. But like I said, they're using one of my videos for their products. Maybe we can work something out. The cab corner, there's really not much to tell. You will be seeing a video before the painting video comes out. I'm finally gonna drop at least the first portion of it because it's still not done. Yeah, Bart's been busy doing everything else besides C-10 stuff this year. Plus, you know, the miserable C word has really affected our schedules and everything else. But it is what it is, you know. What can you do? Just got to keep on living. L-I-V-I-N. And just as a quick update on the Curse Marrow, I actually did a awesome tour with some of my friends that I called the It's Not Canceled Tour 2020. And there will be a video on that. We went around Lake Michigan. It was freaking epic. It was a 6-day trip. We went to drag strips. We went to national parks.
All right.
So pretty.
Oh, it's so awesome. Look at that. All right. You guys enjoy it? All right, let's go. We got to go now.
Even went on an island. Well, yeah, you guys should see that eventually, but for the most part, we're gonna focus our energy on that guy right there. You know, I don't want my great grandchildren being like, oh, we finally got great grandpa's truck done. Because I'll never be able to see that unless they freeze me like Walt Disney. All right, over and out. Peace.